Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider. It's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. The Mukbang show where I try something spicy and see if it's actually spicy. Today we've got one called Fireball Stir-Fried Ramen. I found this at a local Korean grocery. It kind of looks a lot like what you'd expect out of a spicy Korean variety. I believe this is akin to the bull ramen varieties that are out there. They've got a regular, a double spicy, and a carbonara. And this might just be their beef one. It's kind of hard to figure out what company is pushing this through, but I don't know, but it's time to give it a try. So I need a ready, set, go from the children. So without further ado,
ready, set, go!
Thank you. And we will commence immediately. Definitely get a beefy flavor. As far as heat level goes, it's not knocking my socks off. As far as flavor goes, it's not knocking my socks off. I like the noodle. The noodle has a nice chewiness to it. But that might just be about as far as it goes. I'm feeling a bit of warmth, but I'm not feeling like, ooh, fireball, nothing like that. Getting there. I'm almost done. I'm calling it done. I'm not gonna eat all the soup from this. It's very soupy, brothy, thin too, and generally I will go for the broth, but this time today I'm just not interested in it enough. It's just not that freaking hot. The only redeeming quality of this one is so far as a ultra spicy class noodle is the noodle. The noodle's good. The sauce is, It's hot around my lips, but it's not like, no. Anyways. Alright, well this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoy with your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.
Bye.